Say goodbye to vaginal infections and hello to optimal intimate health with LactiFresh. Are you tired of dealing with vaginal infections, irritation, and unpleasant odors? Do you want to restore your natural pH balance and maintain optimal vaginal health? Look no further than LactiFresh, the innovative vaginal care gel that's revolutionizing women's intimate care. The power of lactic acid and aloe vera. LactiFresh's unique formula combines the natural goodness of lactic acid and aloe vera leaf juice to provide comprehensive care for your intimate area. Lactic acid, a crucial component of the vaginal flora, helps maintain a healthy pH balance, preventing infections and inflammation. Aloe vera leaf juice, on the other hand, soothes and moisturizes the skin, reducing irritation and redness. Benefits of LactiFresh: restores natural pH balance, prevents infections and inflammation, moisturizes and soothes irritation, supports optimal vaginal health, eliminates unpleasant odors. How to use LactiFresh. Using LactiFresh is easy. Simply squeeze out the desired amount of gel, massage it into the external genital area, and apply 1-2 times a day. Take control of your intimate health. Don't let vaginal infections and discomfort hold you back any longer. Try LactiFresh today and experience the transformative power of natural, gentle care. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to optimal intimate health.